Ctube CSA Electrical Rigid PVC Conduit. Ctube Electrical Rigid PVC Conduit is CSA certified, and it's made of high-quality PVC material, which meet ASTM D178420 standard, has excellent corrosion-resistant, impact-resistant, sunlight-resistant, self-extinguishing, and fire-retardant performance, and meet safety requirements. Ctube Electrical Rigid PVC Conduit is available from 1/2 inch to 8 inch. Match different project needs. 10 feet and 20 feet standard length or customized. With its smooth interior and outside design, the conduit is easy to install and can protect wires and cables well. And it's rated for use with 75 degrees Celsius conductors, suitable for underground and above-ground applications. Ctube is committed to provide safe and innovative solutions for electrical systems. And Ctube CSA Electrical Rigid PVC Conduit is always a good choice in industrial, commercial, and residential electrical installations.